Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a spinach pesto, but I'm going to make it with the rice and I'm going to make a chili spinach pesto and I'm going to make it delicious. I'm going to share with you how do I do it. Let's start with the ingredients. The ingredients I'm going to use 2 cup rice, they are previously cooked, half cup of each mushroom, red onion, red bell pepper, or you can call capsicum, green bell pepper, broccoli. Spinach pesto will be 14 ounce, 397 gram. I'll cut spinach pesto in bite-sized pieces. A half cup of vegetable stock, you can use any stock. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. For our sauce, it will be 1 tablespoon each oyster sauce, rice vinegar. Optional, you can use a lemon juice, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, 3 hot green chili, 2 eggs, and that's strictly optional. If you don't eat egg, don't put it in. 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon minced garlic. All the spices would be half teaspoon red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, black pepper, salt. I'll start gas. I'll bring olive oil. I'll bring garlic, ginger. We'll cook it for like 30 seconds. I'm going to bring the vegetable in stock. So I'll bring all the sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce. I will add all the spices, mix it. We're going to bring our sauce to boil. Sauce is started to boil. I'll bring mushroom and we're going to cook our mushroom for a couple of minutes. They can get tender. About 2 minutes of cooking. I'll bring rest of the vegetables, onions, bell pepper, capsicum, broccoli. Mix it well. After mixing it, bring your gas to medium and we'll cook it for 4 minutes so the vegetables will get cooked. About 4 minutes of cooking our vegetable. They are looking delicious. Bring green chili, mix it. Now bring your gas high and bring your vegetable on the side. I'll bring sesame oil. I have beaten my eggs and I'll pour it right in the middle. It's looking good. Now I'll mix it. I'll bring spinach pesto. Mix it. After mixing it, I'll bring the rice. Bring your gas to medium, low. Give a mix. After mixing it, we're going to cook it for about 3 minutes. Our dish is all ready and I'm going to dish out. One of the best vegetarian dish. Chili spinach pesto. Our vegetarian dish, spinach pesto, is all ready and it's very delicious and very tasty. If you haven't tried it, please try it and you will like it. If you don't add egg, then it's a strictly vegetarian dish and it's so tasty and delicious and you will love it. Please try it. I hope you like this dish. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you. Bye-bye.